Welcome to educational channel. So in this video I'll explain you the complete paper, this model test paper, including all the solutions with the choice problems also. So let's see this paper one by one, question wise. So in this commercial arithmetic we have 10 marks total, and algebra is 28, coordinate geometry is 13. Geometry and mensuration together is 28 marks is covered this paper, and trigonometry is 12, statistics is 19. Right? Let's see question wise. So first we will see the question number 1. So in this question number 1, first one is matrices. And not only this paper, there are 25 model papers with including previous examination papers in this website. So you can see the link in description below. Just click on that, directly go to the website. So otherwise you can find out through this website in all the subject wise, and model papers and question papers also available, including other subjects with the class 6 to 12, right? So this is about the site, you can see in description below. Now let us see this paper. Let us solve each and every sum clearly once. First one, in this question number 1, first one is some matrix question. A matrix is 3 by 2 x, 2 by 5 y. This is a 2 rows 2 columns, 2 by 2 matrix, and given condition is a square is equals to I. So I is the identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1. Then find the value of x and y. Okay, let us take the given equation and we'll solve this. So here given matrix A, so that is matrix A is equals to 3 by 2, 2 by 5, x and y. Okay, and condition is a square is equals to I. Here a square, A matrix, you should multiply it again A. Okay, A into A, that is matrix A is 3 by 2, 2 by 5, x and y into same matrix A, because A square is A into A. So from the given statement we can write this slide, 3 by 2 again 2 by 5 x y, that is equals to identity matrix. So we know it 1 0 0 1, because every matrix is 2 by 2, you can take 2 by 2 rows and 2 columns. Now first row and first column we need to multiply. So 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, it is 9 by 4, plus 2 by 5 into x is 2x by 5. This is first element, and same row next is 3 by 5, because 3 by 2 into first row first column, first row second column. So 2 here, 2 to get cancelled, 3 by 2 into 2 by 5 is 3 by 5 itself, and plus 2 by 5 into y is 2y by 5. This is simplification, right? And second row first column, so that is a 3x by 2 plus second row first here x into x is x into y, same second row first column, so y into x is or x into y we can write, and again second row second column, so x into 2 by 5, that is 2x by 5, already matrix multiplication, same order we follow, y into y is y square. This is 2 rows 2 columns, that's why the identity matrix also 1 0 0 1, this is also 2 by 2. Now whenever two matrices are in the same order, they are equal, then you can equate the corresponding elements. So corresponding elements means first row first column to again next matrix first row first column. This corresponding elements you make equate. So this should be equals to 1. Similarly second element is equal to second place. So if you apply corresponding elements, then you will get 9 by 4 plus 2x by 5 is equals to 1. This is in the x is there, you can solve using this x. Again this second should be equal to second part, that is 3 by 5 plus 2y by 5 is equal to 0. By solving these two equations you will get x and y values. Then 9 by 4, so 2x by 5 is equals to 1 minus 9 by 4, take other side, 4 minus 9, so minus 5 by 4, 2x by 5. From this x is equals to minus 5 by 4 into 5 by 2. Just cancel if it's possible, otherwise minus, this is a minus 25 by 8. There is no possible of cancellation, 4 to 8. X is equals to minus 25 by 8. Now from this equation, the second equation, you'll find out the value of y. Now is 3 plus 2y by 5 is equal to 0. 3 plus 2y is equal to 0 because 0 into 5 is 0. And 2y is equals to minus 3. From this, y is equals to minus 3 by 2. Okay. This is the value of y. So x is minus 25 by 8 and y is minus 3 by 2. Here are the values of x and y. You can solve in this way. And see, only need to find out x and y. So you got x and y values. And in this second one, first to be, find the equation of line parallel to 2x plus 3y is equals to 5. So we need to find out the equation of line which is parallel to this equation and having the same y-intercept. So having the same y-intercept as x plus y is equal to 0. Now let us take the given equation of line. First we'll find out the slope because equation is same line parallel to this. If we find out 2x plus 3y equation slope, same slope we apply for that. Let us solve this. So given equation of line is given. That is 2x plus 3y is equals to 5. Okay, this is given. From this you can find out the slope. That means if you convert into y is equal to mx plus c format, you can write. So 3y is minus 2x plus 5. Then y is equals to minus 2 by 3x plus 5 by 2. Okay, if you apply m value in this x coefficient, if it is in order, then m is equals to minus 2 by 3 because slope is minus 2 by 3. Since required line is also parallel to the same line, therefore slope of the required line is same, we can take. Therefore slope of required line, what you need to find out, that line slope also same, that is minus 2 by 3. So you got the slope now. Now y-intercept of the line is given. So if you see the y-intercept of x plus y is equal to 0. So y-intercept of the line, that is given x plus y is equal to 0. So that is 0 itself, because x plus y is equal to 0 is passing through the origin. That means it will not touch, because if x is equal to 0, then y also becomes 0. So y-intercept of the line is itself is 0. Then we have so slope is minus 2 by 3 and y-intercept is 0. We'll apply these both. So if you know the y-intercept and slope, then required equation. Therefore, so required equation is equals to, that is y is equals to mx plus c. So this is a c is equal to 0. Then y is equals to m is minus 2 by 3x plus 0. Then that is equals to y is equals to minus 2x by 3. 3y is equals to minus 2x, take all one side. Then 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Okay, this is the required equation. So the main thing is then y-intercept. So y-intercept is also 0 from this equation, because if x is 0, then y also 0 itself, because the line is passing through 0 origin. Okay, now see the next one. Find the mode of the following distribution by drawing histogram. So you should draw the histogram for this. From that you will find out the mode. So let me show in the graph paper this. So let's draw the graph and we find out the mode. So take the given table now. Let's take the table. Class and frequency is given. Okay, so let's take the table. According to the given question, class and frequency. So let's take Fi. So the 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, and 60 to 80. So by using histogram only, you need to find out the mode in this, and this 15, 6, 18, and 10. Okay, this is the given table. Now find out the mode by drawing histogram. So to find out the histogram, we need to take x-axis and y-axis. X-axis on this class interval and frequency on y-axis if you take. So we'll take the graph paper for this x and y axis. Okay, so the vertically is y axis and horizontally is x axis. Is x and it is y. So this joining point is origin, that is 0. And if they mention the scale, we can use. So in this question not mention any scale, so we can take account your convenient. So I am taking x axis 1 centimeter 10 units. So if you take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Otherwise, if you are see here, so 0 to 20, 20 to 30, you can take 20 units also as 1 centimeter. You can take our own. Okay, if you take this is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So that means here taken 1 centimeter is 20 units. So scale, if you observe, x axis 1 centimeter is 20 units, so class interval. And in y-axis is the frequency, so highest value is only 18. So let's take 10, 10, 10, 20. 1 millimeter is 1 unit, that means 1 centimeter is 10 units. So 10, 20, 30. So highest is only 18, so very small will come. Then you take some big numbers, then you can take 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So that means you can change this y-axis. 1 centimeter is equals to 5 units. Okay. You can take anything is same. There is no any difference in the mode. Now just to draw the histogram for this. So 0 to 20 is 15. Starts from 0. 0 to 20 is 15. So till 15 you can draw this bars. And next to 20 to 46. That means every 2 millimeter is 1 unit. So 6 means after 5 second millimeter. This is 20 to 40 and 40 to 60 is 18. That means after 15, 6 you should take 6 millimeters. Okay, just to see the according to the class size, according to the order scale you are taken, you can just keep this bar lines. And 60 to 80 is 10. So this is the 10. Now after constructing this histogram, then we can take, so highest frequency is 40 to 60. Highest frequency is 40 to 60. Now this is the class interval. X-axis is the class interval and y-axis is frequency. Okay, this is the frequency. Now, so highest value. Now the important thing is how to construct the mode for this. Now this is highest frequency bar. That means this is the lower limit, it's upper limit for highest. Now this upper limit to the previous class intervals, upper limit should join. If you observe, upper limit to which is highest, that upper limit. And highest frequency bar is this 40 to 60. For this lower limit to next class interval, lower limit should join. Now if you join, there is a common point for these both lines. So from that point you can draw the straight line to the down. That is not exactly center, just one more. So after 40, between 40 and 60 it is coming sixth line. So 12 means 2, 1 millimeter is 2 units, so 6 means it's 52. So it's where it's joining. Now it's joined at this point. Now there is a mode. Therefore mode is equals to 52, because after 40 it's a 6th millimeter line, right? Then mode is equal to 52, you can write. So from the graph you can find out easily from the histogram. Therefore You should write on the paper itself, not on the bar. Just on the graph paper, just mark it. So from histogram, then mode is equals to 52. The main important thing is just see the highest bar, highest frequency from the upper limit to previous upper, and this lower to next lower limit. So you just join, and where is the common point? From there you can draw straight line to the x-axis. Where it touches on x-axis, there is only your answer. There is the mode. Okay, we can solve this problem in this way. Make the table. So nothing to do on the table because it's already exclusive case. Not of changing anything. Now this is about question number 1. Now let's see question number 2 and solve these problems.